Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by seating the platinum lip plate and aligning the head joint precisely. This matters for resonance and comfort. Place the body and foot joint together and make sure the embouchure hole is straight with the left hand rail level. Warm the flute with steady breath for 2 to 3 minutes and play a low C to check response. If it rings, you're ready. Once done, adjust angle slightly toward your right ear to optimize projection and comfort. Now develop a reliable core technique. Direct a focused airstream across the platinum embouchure with a slight 30-degree downward tilt to center the tone. You want consistent breath support, engaging the abdomen about 50 to 70% to sustain notes without strain. Articulate with a light tongue on ta and rehearse single-note pulses to sharpen attack. This frames the how and why of clarity. Once you have steady notes, practice moving between registers slowly to feel the instrument's response. To finish, expand dynamic range by increasing airspeed while keeping the embouchure steady. The platinum lip plate gives extra brightness if you maintain shape. Practice crescendos and decrescendos slowly so you control timbre change. If a note cracks or refuses to speak, stop and check 3 things: angle toward the embouchure, airspeed consistency, and that the lip plate is sealed correctly. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.